Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel cadcaemaster. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Well, this is the agenda here. I'll be taking you through SolidWorks assembly drafting, wherein I'll take you through the exploded views, the exploded lines, and how do we need to animate the explode and the collapse, the bill of material, how do we create it, and accordingly the Excel sheet of this BOM so that the shop floor people can refer it. And finally we'll see the assembly drafting basics. Let's get started with this. First thing, if you would like to create the exploded view, you can just directly go here and there is an option called exploded view. You can just select this. Yeah, now there are direct options. One is the radial step, one is this one, that is the regular step. You can define any of these and you can try. Let's go with this one, the radial step. Now I would like to select the component. So let's say this component, and you can simply drag it up to where you would like to place it. Let's say here. Once this is done, you can if your component placing is done, you can simply click on done, so that for this component the explode is defined. Now similarly for this component, you can again just select this, drag it up, and you can place it here. Yeah, so once you are done with this, you can simply click on green check. There is an option called auto spacing that you can use it, but right now I would like to go ahead with the manual one. Yeah, and then we'll just take this. Before this, I would like to have this component, not both. So let us delete the filter. Yeah, I would like to drag this. So it should be here. If you would like to rotate this, can do this. Yeah, now both got added. This is done. Next thing, this component I would like to just again slide it upwards slightly, and then it should move towards, upwards, and then done. The same component again, I would like to drag it towards this direction. Yeah, and then you can just take this one downwards, click on done, and this component both at once. I'd like to drag it towards this, and then the rotation. Let us see. Well, so these are my explodes which I have created. Now if you would like to see these, you can just switch to here. In the drop down you have the exploded view. Okay, now there is an option to collapse. You can do that. I can again explode here. Meanwhile, you could do the same thing here. Right click and collapse and explode. So just below that you do have the animation collapse. You can just play this, or else you can first collapse and animate explode. You can do that. Yeah, this is too the speed is too much, so I would like to reduce this speed and try this now. So you can see it is rotating, and here also this component will also rotate. Yep, so if you would like to save this as an animation, you can do that. And if you would like to play this as reciprocating or in a loop, you can do that. or else if you would like to have the means reciprocating, this will also be done. Yeah, so this is how we can just generate the exploded views. Let me have like this. Now once you have the exploded view, what do we do next? We can create the bill of material and the assembly drafting for this. To do that, you can go ahead with the NIV. There is an option called make drawing from the part and assembly. You can just select this. Before that, I would like to save the part. I would like to just save it as mill assembly. You can just save this. So now to create the drafting, you will be having the ISO standards. You can just define which standard you would like to use. So I would like to have the A3 sheet, and these are the width and the height. If you would like to change the sheet, you can customize it. Yeah, so these are the default templates are available. From here you can browse it. So right now I'd like to take the default template. I could see the name is here, and this particular template you can able to completely change as per your requirement, and you can save it as a template. That I would like to cover it in the later on session. So well, now let's see the isometric view. You can simply drag and drop it here. This is the one. And then I would like to have the exploded view. You can simply drag and drop it here. So there is a link, you can have it, or else if you would like to place it wherever you want, you can do that as well. So I'd like to place it somewhere here. So once you place it, you can move it wherever you want. So let's say I would like to change the scale of it. You can do that. 1:20. Both will become big. So only for this. So for the drawing 2, so if you just double click on it, there is a custom. You can have it 1:20 for this. Yeah. So this is small, this is fine. So here if you change for all the views, it will change. Now this I would like to change it to the color mode. This, let it be like this. Well, if you would like to have the exploded lines and all, you can do that. And to do that, you can just go back to the assembly and you can have it there. Let me just show you the same. So in this exploded view dropdown, you have the exploded line sketch, or else you can use this exploded smart explodes. And this is how these are. The rotation is also added. If you would like to define it manually, you can even do that. Yep. Or else if you would like to use it manually, you can do that here. So component wise, okay, it will ask you to drag a line. So likewise, you can just create it. Yep. So this is manually you can create it, and this is the insert component, this component and this component, and this is a reverse. Yep. You can try these options and it will create automatically. Likewise, you can create it manually as well as like given by using the automatic way. This component and this straight, there's the reverse option. You can try alternate path. If you use along XYZ, it won't work. Okay, this is fine, no issues. And now if you would like to select these two components, let's see how it does. These two, and reverse the path. Nope, this is fine, and you can simply click on green check. Yep, this is how you can able to generate the paths. So yeah, if you don't want it, you can simply drag and drop it here and you can close it. These are the explode lines. Well, we have seen how to create it manually as well as by using the automated way. Yep, once you're done with this, if you would like to see the same, if you make the changes into the assembly, it will update here as well. Well, next thing I would like to create the auto ballooning for this. You can just select this one and there is an option. You can just select it circular and others. So here also we have the options. So I would like to place it. Before that, let us just click on green check. Yep, so now you could see. And this is how it will be placed. So let me have it on the top like this. And you can just click on green check. And if you would like to move them, you can do this. Magnetic line is active. You can just simply drag and drop it. Yeah. So if you'd like to change the orientation or if you would like to place it somewhere, you can even do that. Have it one here and one should be here. You can do that. Yep, likewise. If you'd like to create one more magnetic line, you can just select this and create it like this. Once you create this, yeah, you can simply select this magnetic line, you can drag it and it will automatically snap the annotations. Well, so once you are done with this, next thing is you can add the BOM for this. To create the bill of material, you can just use the tables. There is an option called bill of material. Select this one. It will ask you which type you want. There is an option again, BOM standard, the templates. So you can select BOM all. Yeah, BOM material also you can able to define. I would like to select the BOM all. And once you're done with this, you can just simply click on green check and you'll be having this one. Yeah, so quantities, everything is here. If you don't want the columns and all, you can just delete them. Yep, so this is the final BOM for this. Like if you would like to take the Excel sheet of it, you can do that. You can simply right click on it and there is an option called save as. You can just take the Excel sheet. It will ask you for the thumbnail. You can just click on here. If you save it there, automatically it will create the Excel. And now you can able to preview that. So you can see this is how it will give you the thumbnails for the parts, and these are the part number quantities, and accordingly if you have defined all the properties, it will be added up here. Yep, now if you would like to save this as a drawing, you can just do that, save it, and now this misassembly drawing saved. And now I would like to have this as a PDF, then you can just go here, save as. There is an option called PDF middle assembly. Just save it, and accordingly you'll be having the PDF. We'll preview that as well. Yeah, so this is the PDF. Finally, to summarize, we had gone through the exploded view, exploded lines, collapse and explode animations, the bill of material creation, and the Excel sheet for the BOM. and we also gone through the assembly drafting, and we had seen the PDF, how we can generate it. Yep, that's all. We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.